Hello and welcome to the Physics Department at Kwantlen Polytechnic University. I'm James Holland, one of the instructors here, and on this open day I'd like to introduce you to one of our first year physics experiments. The world around you is made up of atoms, but those atoms are not the smallest building blocks. Inside the atoms are protons, neutrons, and the incredibly tiny electron. The electron is so small it weighs only around 9 times 10 to the minus 32 kilograms. That is unfathomably small. So how do we go about measuring something as small as that? How can we weigh something that has such a tiny, tiny mass? Well, when it comes to the electron, what we can do is see how it behaves in electric and magnetic fields. An electron has charge. So when we release it into an electric field, it will be accelerated. The final velocity it gets to will depend on how strong the electric field is, what the charge on the electron is, and what the mass of the electron is. As well as applying an electric field to the electron, we can also apply a magnetic field. When you apply a magnetic field to a moving electric charge, it experiences a force which is at 90 degrees to the direction that it's moving. The end result of that is a free electron flying through a magnetic field will start to move into a circular orbit. The radius of that orbit will depend on the strength of the magnetic field, the charge on the electron, and how fast it's moving. So by varying the electric and magnetic fields acting on the electron, we can change the radius of the circle that it moves in. Simply measuring that circle allows us to measure the ratio of the charge to the mass of the electron. If you already know the charge of the electron, then you can measure the mass of the electron.